Welcome back. You're watching the news on Headlines Now. Well, slain LTTE chief Prabhakaran's mother Parvati Ammal passed away in Jaffna in Sri Lanka this morning. Parvati Ammal, aged 81, had been in a hospital for about a month due to several illnesses, including a heart problem. At the time of her admission to the hospital last month, Parvati was already partially paralyzed and diabetic, and lately she had sunk into severe depression and had stopped eating, according to reports. Remember, she was denied entry into Tamil Nadu and deported back to Malaysia last year, and later she was brought to her home village and the local hospital was treating her for her ailments. And here VCK Chief Thol Tirumavalavan condoled the death of Parvati Ammal and said that VCK flags will fly half-mast for 3 days as a mark of respect for her. And popular playback singer Malaysia Vasudevan passed away in Chennai at around noon today due to multi-organ failure. Malaysia Vasudevan went on to make his voice heard in a highly competitive field. Vasudevan, born in Malaysia but settled in Chennai, also dabbled in acting and, according to his family, was working in a Tamil film before being hospitalized a few days ago. He was 67 years old and he is survived by his son Yogendran and daughters Pavitra and Prashantini. And let's now bring you the news from the ICC Cricket World Cup. Well, Sri Lanka is playing against Minnow Canada in the second World Cup match today. Winning the toss, Sri Lanka decided to bat first, but quite unusually they were on a slow start, scoring at just 5 runs per over till Jayawardene joined skipper Sangakkara on the crease after Dilshan's wicket fell in the 20th over. Playing the first few overs without taking much risk, both these lanky batsmen went on to build a partnership of 179 runs at the run rate of 7.5 runs per over. But when Jayawardene fell in the 44th over, the score was 276 runs, and in the last 6 overs, the team managed 56 runs and lost 3 wickets. And earlier today, the Kenyan captain was left struggling for answers after a 10-wicket World Cup manuling at the hands of New Zealand has nudged them closer to exile from cricket's most exclusive club. And New Zealand, on the other hand, didn't know what hit them when they experienced a quick walk in the park. Take a look.
I don't think we ever expected it to be this easy, I think, but to be able to bowl that well and allow a batsman to have such a small chase is always pleasing.
Kenya certainly couldn't have totalled a more embarrassing score with 69 off 23.5 overs, posting their lowest ever World Cup figure and furthermore in ODIs as well, eclipsing the 84 against Australia in 2002. With miserable performances like this one, no wonder the ICC insists on chopping down the number of participating teams from 14 to 10 for the next cup.
No, we don't think on those lines. It's their decision to make. If they want to play 10 or 5 or 50, that is the decision. We would always like to be participating in the World Cup. Not only Kenya, even if I was to be asked, I can put even 20, because the more you play around these guys, the better you become.
And as for New Zealand, this 10-wicket win over the Kenyans would be their first in the World Cup, leaving the opposition with a second-time defeat of such a margin.
I think just any chance you get to play for New Zealand, I think you just got to try and take it and play it as though it's your last game. So to have the result I had today was good, and hopefully we can keep pushing our selection for every game.
The man of the match there, who led New Zealand's humiliation of a Kenya outfit clearly out of its depth, attacking the stumps with accuracy to rip out 4 quick wickets. In Chennai, Natasha for NDTV Hindu.
And finally, a spectacular debut, then films that flopped, but that didn't stop Vidya Balan from constantly reinventing herself role to role. And now she's back to her winning ways. Vidya Balan won the NDTV Indian of the Year Best Actor Award. Take a look.
So Vidya, I was talking about reinvention. The Girl Next Door and Parinita to Silk Smita now in Dirty Pictures, which is just about to come out. Why have you been reinventing yourself constantly?
I think a part of me is schizophrenic. So I like...
always schizophrenic, or is this a new development?
I think I've always been schizoid, but the films give me a chance to live different lives all the time, and I'm just making the most of it. It becomes a bit boring to play yourself on screen again and again. I'd rather be playing different people. If that's reinvention, then great.
Obviously, films have been doing really well for you, but also a reasonable amount of controversy, including the reports that you were posing for a famous painter, which I believe was completely a hoax.
That's completely a hoax. I wasn't even in the country when that came out, and I was quite shocked. I'd love to pose for a painter, but
Not in this manner.
no, definitely not in the buff.
Well, the voice behind many Rajinikanth and Sivaji Ganeshan's song is no more. The veteran singer and actor Malaysia Vasudevan passed away this noon after suffering from a multi-organ failure. We leave you with a tribute to him. Thanks so much for watching.
ஒரு தங்க ரதத்தில் பொன் மஞ்சள் நிலவு ஒரு தங்க ரதத்தில் பொன் மஞ்சள் நிலவு என் தெய்வம் தந்த என் தெய்வம் தந்த என் தங்கை ஒரு தங்க ரதத்தில் பொன் மஞ்சள் நிலவு ஒரு தங்க ரதத்தில் பொன் மஞ்சள்